and hello everyone. I am Barsha, your Nepali language tutor. Welcome back after a long time. Hope you all are doing fine and very happy new year to all of you. Today I'm back with the video on past continuous tense. When you study past continuous tense, I recommend you to study comparing with present continuous tense and the link is given below. There are different past continuous tense in Nepali, but I will teach you the most frequently and easy to use continuous tense. As there is rule in Nepali language, you need to use subject plus lay in the past tense, but past continuous is exception because in the past continuous tense, the action is not finished yet. So we will not use subject plus lay in past continuous tense only, but I will teach you a lot of past structures later on and we will use all the structure and the subject plus lay format. But exception is past continuous tense. We will not use subject plus lay here. Now, I will explain past continuous tense with some example.
Today's class is on past continuous tense, which means apurna bhutkal. Apurna means continuous, bhut means past, kal means tense. Apurna bhutkal with different pronouns, verbs and Nepali sentences. First, let's revise different kinds of pronoun in Nepali language. Ma, which means I, timi, you for younger people, हामी, we, tapai, you for elder people, waha uha, he or she for elder people. You can use anyone, waha for he or she or uha for he or she. You can use anyone. U, yo, tio, which means he, this and that respectively. Uni, tini, which means she. Uniharu, they. Now let's compare present continuous with past continuous tense. These two columns are used as is, am, are helping verb in present tense, whereas these two columns are used as was or were of past tense. Many viewers asked me to make a video on helping verb of past continuous tense as well. So in this table, you can also see the helping verb of present and helping verb of past tense. And we are using this helping verb with our main verb ing, that is continuous. Let's compare and learn present continuous and past continuous. Ma, dai, chu, ma, dai, chaina for positive and negative of present continuous tense, whereas ma, dai, thie, ma, dai, thiina for past continuous. Timi, dai, chau, timi, dai, chainau, timi, dai, thiau, timi, dai, thienau. हामी, dai, छौँ, हामी दai छैनौँ, हामी दai थियौँ, हामी दai थिएनौँ. तपाईँ दai हुनुहुन्छ, तपाईँ दai हुनुहुन्न, तपाईँ दai हुनुहुन्थ्यो, तपाईँ दai हुनुहुन्न थियो. The negative portion of present continuous and past continuous is not widely used, but for the purpose of knowing the negative as well, I have given here. I recommend you to remember the positive of both present and past continuous, but in speaking, negative of present and past continuous is not widely used. Waha uha dai hunuhuncha, waha uha dai hunuhunna, waha uha dai hunuhunthyo, waha uha dai hunuhunna थियो. ऊ यो त्यो दai छ, ऊ यो त्यो दai छैन, ऊ यो त्यो दai थियो, ऊ यो त्यो दai थिएन. Similarly, उनी तिनी दai छिन्, उनी तिनी दai छैनन्, उनी तिनी दai थिइन्, उनी तिनी दai थिइनन्. उनीहरू दai छन्, उनीहरू दai छैनन्, उनीहरू दai थिए, उनीहरू दai थिएनन्. Now let's learn past continuous tense in detail with different examples starting from ma. Verb is garnu. Garnu plus dai, gardai. Nu is removed and dai is added and forms gardai. As you all know that in Nepali we follow the subject plus object plus verb structure. You can see in this example as well. Ma office ma काम गर्दै थिए, where ma works as subject, office ma object, काम गर्दै थिए verb. I was working at office. म अफिसमा काम गर्दै थिइन. म अफिसमा काम गर्दै थिइन, which means I wasn't working at office. Similarly for तिमी, जानु. जानु plus दै, final verb becomes जादै. तिमी बसमा पोखरा जादै थियौ. तिमी बसमा पोखरा जादै थियौ. You were going to Pokhara by bus. तिमी बसमा पोखरा जादै थिएनौ. तिमी बसमा पोखरा जादै थिएनौ. You were not going to Pokhara by bus. Now let's do for हामी. मनाउनु plus दै, मनाउँदै. मनाउनु means to celebrate. हामी नयाँ वर्ष मनाउँदै थियौं. हामी नयाँ वर्ष मनाउँदै थियौं. We were celebrating New Year. हामी नयाँ वर्ष मनाउँदै थिएनौं. हामी नयाँ वर्ष मनाउँदै थिएनौं. We were not celebrating New Year. Let's do for तपाईं. खेल्नु plus दै, खेल्दै. तपाईं फुटबल खेल्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. तपाईं फुटबल खेल्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. You were playing football. तपाईं फुटबल खेल्दै हुनुहुन्न थियो. तपाईं फुटबल खेल्दै हुनुहुन्न थियो. You were not playing football. Waha uha, which means he or she for respected form. हेर्नु plus दै, हेर्दै. हेर्दै means to watch. वहाँ सोफामा बसेर टिभी हेर्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. वहाँ सोफामा बसेर टिभी हेर्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. He was watching TV sitting on sofa. वहाँ सोफामा बसेर टिभी हेर्दै हुनुहुन्न थियो. वहाँ सोफामा बसेर टिभी हेर्दै हुनुहुन्न थियो. He was not watching TV sitting on sofa. चलाउनु plus दै, चलाउँदै, which means to ride. ऊ साइकल चलाउँदै थियो. ऊ साइकल चलाउँदै थियो. He was riding cycle. ऊ साइकल चलाउँदै थिएन. ऊ साइकल चलाउँदै थिएन. He was not riding cycle. चलाउनु has also other meaning such as to operate, to use, but here I have used as to ride. Let's do for उनी or तिनी. गर्नु plus दै, गर्दै. उनी कोठा सफा गर्दै थिइन्. उनी कोठा सफा गर्दै थिइन्. She was cleaning room. उनी कोठा सफा गर्दै थिइनन्. उनी कोठा सफा गर्दै थिइनन्. She was not cleaning room. Let's do for उनीहरू. बजाउनु plus दै, बजाउँदै. It means to play musical instrument. You cannot use this verb to play games. You can only use verb to play musical instrument. उनीहरू गिटार बजाउँदै थिए. उनीहरू गिटार बजाउँदै थिए. They were playing guitar. उनीहरू गिटार बजाउँदै थिएनन्. उनीहरू गिटार बजाउँदै थिएनन्. They were not playing guitar. म अफिसमा काम गर्दै थिएँ. म अफिसमा काम गर्दै थिइन. तिमी बसमा पोखरा जाँदै थियौ. तिमी बसमा पोखरा जाँदै थिएनौ. हामी नयाँ वर्ष मनाउँदै थियौं. हामी नयाँ वर्ष मनाउँदै थिएनौ. तपाईं फुटबल खेल्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. तपाईं फुटबल खेल्दै हुनुहुन्न थियो. वहाँ सोफामा बसेर टिभी हेर्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. वहाँ सोफामा बसेर टिभी हेर्दै हुनुहुन्न थियो. ऊ साइकल चलाउँदै थियो. ऊ साइकल चलाउँदै थिएन. उनी कोठा सफा गर्दै थिइन्. उनी कोठा सफा गर्दै थिइनन्. उनीहरू गिटार बजाउँदै थिए, उनीहरू गिटार बजाउँदै थिएनन्।
This was all about past continuous tense. If you have any confusion, please leave a comment below. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you. See you in next video. Namaste.